welcome to ABC Kid Show.
Hello kids, welcome back. Today again we will learn further capital ABC from M to Z. Let's start with colors. Green color, peach color, orange color, brown color, blue color, purple color, pink color. Let's start. Green color. M. M for monkey. Yellow color. N. N for nest. Red color. O. O for owl. Blue color. P. P for parrot. Green color. Q. Q for queen. Yellow color. R. R for rose. Red color. S. S for sun. Blue color. T. T for toy. Green color. U. U for umbrella. Yellow color. V. V for van. W. W for watch. Blue color. X for xylophone. Green color. Y for yak. Yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. Bye bye kids, keep learning. Like, share, subscribe.